Clean electricity can power many things, but some parts of the world are much harder to decarbonize. For heavy trucks and long-distance transport, hydrogen could offer fast refueling and long operating range. In shipping and aviation, hydrogen can also be converted into cleaner fuels for sectors where batteries are difficult. In industries like steelmaking, hydrogen could replace fossil fuels. In processes that need intense heat and chemical reactions. But hydrogen is difficult to store, transport, and produce cheaply. Building the infrastructure will be a major challenge. Hydrogen may not power everything, but in the hardest parts of the energy transition, it could become one of the most important tools we have.